Hello, my name is José Salazar. I am a real estate broker with Coldwell Bankers, and I'm inviting you to come and see our open houses this weekend. Hope to see you there, and have a great day.
You're an agent with Coldwell Banker, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
I'm here to invite you to this after the siren.
Real estate firm. I'm inviting. Just practice. Well, let me know when you start. I don't know when to start.
Tomlinson.
Oh shoot! Go away. That's right. I don't know. I think have a great day. That's good enough. Hello, my name is José Salazar. I'm a real estate. Oh shoot! Okay, let's start it again. Yeah, that's tough.
You're doing really good.